So breathe in and breathe out. So we do a little warm up. Now listen to how your body feels.
This is one of the highlights of Abadu Hassan's week.
Open the heart to what is. And then bring up the toes. Other side, a little bit up.
Abado has fibromyalgia and arthritis, but thanks to the UW Medicine Somali Women's Wellness Project, her pain is much less and she can move better.
When I come in the morning, and when I leave in this door, I'm a totally different person.
The program started 10 years ago, is held every Sunday in South Seattle, and is mainly run by volunteers.
When I see what they do, it's making me cry, seriously. How they take care of us.
This is a chai tea.
The women start off in the morning socializing, drinking traditional Somali tea, and having a snack. During this time, they can have a massage.
The spine is a very important aspect.
Or a therapy session with a Feldenkrais method provider. The idea behind Feldenkrais is to get the brain and body to reconnect. Providers use gentle motions to help people understand and correct how their body has been moving, especially after injuries.
So basically, I'm communicating with their brain, and it's helping people move better or move in places that are stuck that haven't been moved for a long time.
So we welcome each other.
Then it's time for yoga, but not the traditional yoga you've seen before.
We engage our strength and let your hands move your head. If it feels good to copy, then you do what I do.
This class is adapted to fit the needs of these women. A lot of the class is done in chairs.
And I've seen a woman who was not able to get to the floor and up without any help, and now she goes down to the floor and gets up without any help.
When we started first at the beginning, they were isolated.
Anab Abdu Ali coordinates this program called Dariel, the Somali word for wellness. She says it's improving the lives of these women, and not just physically.
This is a whole body, physical and emotional support and all that. They will tell you when the first morning when they walk in and when they're leaving, they feel like different. Some of them will tell you, I feel like younger. I like kind of lost like 10 years, I came here because I feel like all tightness when I was first starting here and doing all those stretches and exercise. It makes me more loose in it and healthier.
The Somali Women's Wellness Project loves to share information with health leaders around the country.
Shushoba. Shushoba. And then our shushoba, shushoba.
They hope to see the program expand locally as well, to help more women feel better, both inside and out.
My vision is to have, now that my community is growing, the same program like this to have other locations where most of the community resides. Maybe one in Kent, one in High Point, if that can happen. That's my future. So every woman can have that time on their own to connect other women from the same background.
Just from there.
Watch City Stream Thursday nights at 7 on the Seattle channel, or get video on demand and podcast anytime at seattlechannel.org.